Zeroid continued its destruction until there was nothing left from the moon base. If the Zephians weren't dead at the hands of Zeroid, then they were seized by the shuttles of the mothership. The moon base rested in shambles as a shell of what it used to be. The ships flew back towards the mothership. It was the last time Zephians would ever see their home again. Zeroid finally initiated his cyanium extraction process, becoming one step closer to the ultimate creation of zeronium, the combination between cyanium and phasium. Cyanium extractors were deployed near the massive deposit of cyanium next to the obliterated moon base. Cyborg-like creatures called phasons resided on the mothership. Oddly enough, they looked very similar to the Zephians, just much more technologically advanced and ran off phasium. Phasons would be the ones performing all the torture onto the Zephians. The abducting shuttles land on the mothership's surface. The people started to get escorted out onto the island that they would be tortured on. This was their fate now. They looked around the island. It was covered in futuristic buildings, but almost none of these buildings seemed to be unlocked to the public. For all the Zephians knew, the buildings didn't even have people in them. Once all the people exited the ships, they lifted off to leave. The ground began to shake, growing more and more vicious every moment. An explosion occurred across the island, shooting liquid phasium into the air. This was the first of many phases of torture planned.